everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are back up here at Blood Mountain, about to go and get some runs in and do some videos, obviously with Beyonce Yanto, coming at you from Blood Mountain here at the Riverside Tavern. Always a cool place to come and stop, really good spot. We're gonna go up that way, but first we're gonna get some things set up because it's gonna be a long day. We gotta get some stuff done today. So all right, come along, join us as we get out on Blood today.
Fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in spacey. Cause everybody wanna do bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Alright fam, I have been running up and down this mountain. This is my fourth pass on this side of Blood Mountain, and you'll figure out later why I've been just up and down this side of the mountain. But it's been so much fun, some close calls, meet some I didn't meet them, but you're eventually going to run into them running up and down this mountain. So but running up and down this mountain, met some really good riders. They're pretty fast. I try not to keep up with their pace because I'm not good. They are way better than me, but been pretty fun coming up through here. But I've been doing a lot of concentrating on filming other things, and so I have to still be pretty careful with riding. Because sometimes my brain is somewhere else. And that's not good. It has been so much fun coming up through here and just kind of testing my actual skill set and watching the other riders and how they trail brake and how deep into the turn sometimes they brake too, which, like I said, their entry speed is a lot better than mine because, dude, I'm all about being safe and going back home because my skill set is not there. So that's what I do. But I am pushing myself, and it's fun because I'm pushing myself. Dead squirrel. And that's how you become dead. You don't pay attention, keep looking at dead squirrels. These rolling hills are really, really fun. These back and forth turns are really fun, but you still really gotta be mindful, be careful. And because stuff like this right here will sneak up on you if you're coming around there. Those little S curves, too hot, it'll sneak up on you quick. The sharper ones will sneak up on you, and then that's when there's trouble. Like these little roll arounds right here, like these are super fun. And then you'll come up on something like this right here, like you're going hot. If you're going way too hot, you'll miss that, and you'll go super wide. But I'm trying to be careful because I feel like I want to push a little bit more, but then I know I have to be careful not to push too hard. But it is, I'm telling you guys, like this road right here is really, really fun. It's just too bad that I live so far. It really is too bad that I live so far that I can't really make it. Like this crap right here, oh man, it's beautiful, but if you don't know it and you run up on that, you're hitting that wall, fam. You are definitely hitting that side wall right there. So it is a lot of fun. But here we go. So I am feeling better as I run this back and forth today. I do feel better. I feel like I know where the turns are coming, but I'm trying not to eat up all the roads. So I'm trying to really stay in my lane, even though there's nobody here. I can't really hear anybody coming up behind me. So if there's another guy blasting it through here, I can't hear him coming up behind me. So I'm trying not to get into like both lanes, just because I don't like, oh man, I don't like that lane. That outside lane's got all the debris in it. Stay inside. It's got, outside lane's got all the debris in there. See, stuff like this. Now we got this huge U-turn here that if you run up fast on this, you're gonna end up in that rail. And like, I'm really, really slow. Like, I'm really slow up here. And oh god, too hard. And stuff like that. And we're at the midpoint now, so we're gonna peel off here and take a quick breather.